Penny, do you know what you are?
Cat.
Well, yeah, that's not what I was gonna say, though.
Fat.
No.
Then what?
Cute. I'm trying to tell you that you're cute.
Yay!
And maybe a little bit chunky.
Ha ha.
But mostly cute.
Look, Mama. What you think? She'll bite its neck and take it over. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. Oh yeah, she took it immediately. She's already trying to feed it. Good job, Mama. That's a good mama. That's a sweet girl. Good job, Mama. Good job, sweet girl. Oh yeah, she's already looking. That's a good job, Mama. Oh, she's like, how'd you find my baby? I knew she would.
We ran out of treats again.
What? How?
You ate them all?
Nah.
It's true.
Not.
Whatever, but we are out.
Fine.
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 I'll get some tomorrow.
Okay.
The correct response to that would be thank you.
Thanks.
Feeling?
Not.
Why?
Why? That.
Oh, yeah.
Gah. Excuse me? Hey. Get off my bed.
Penny, chill.
Honey bun sugar plums. You're my sweetie pie.
Hi, can I ask you some questions?
Fine.
Do you think you'd like to travel the world someday?
Meh.
Would you rather have chicken or beef?
Ham.
Really?
Yeah. That. Go on.
Cake or pie?
Cake.
You must love cake.
Yeah.
What is something that you've always wanted to do?
Draw.
To draw? Is that your dream?
Yes.
Тигр делает. Ох. Ох.
Best friend, I'ma never leave you in the end. You're my best friend. Yeah, we gonna blow red the wind. You're my best friend. Yeah, we gonna party till the end. You're my best friend. Hey, you're my best friend. I'ma never leave you in the end. You're my best friend. Yeah, we gonna blow red the wind. You're my best friend. Yeah, we gonna party till the end.
Tamam, devam et. Evet, birazcık yaktı. Evet aşkım. Evet aşkım. Küfür etme. Anneler kutsaldır. Anneler kutsaldır. Çok ayıp. Haklısın. Çok haklısın. Evet acıdı. Anneler kutsal. Tamam, evet, al bunu. Isır onu.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so...
Monday, I have nothing to do. Tuesday, I have nothing to do. Wednesday, I have nothing to do. Thursday, I have nothing to do. Friday, Saturday, nothing.
Ты меня не любишь. А я тебя люблю.